The next thing, which may or may not matter to you, is that about half of the student population is from Georgia. Personally, I am not from Georgia, and I was surprised by how many people were from Georgia, due to the come on, let's just keep going. Okay, the proximity to campus, in-state tuition, and scholarships for living in Georgia are really a big factor in this decision. The next thing, which may or may not matter to you, is that about half the population.
I started this channel in 2019 and I had no idea how to film or edit or talk to a camera. And as has become a common thread throughout my life, I wanted to learn, so I just did it. And at that point, the goal was really just to learn how to make anything, even if it sucked. But over time, I learned how to film and how to edit and how to suck less in front of a camera. And making videos became a much more mechanical process. I'd make a list of a bunch of topics, I'd write some outlines, and then I'd sit down, film it, stitch it up, and post it here. There's only two real creative outlets that I have found actually work for me so far in life. I've been learning how to dance, but so far that hasn't been so much creative expression as copying because I am not nearly good enough to improvise. One of them is photography, which is something that I have been doing for half of my life at this point. And the other one is making videos. And many of the best videos that I've made are the ones that I haven't posted here. The ones that actually have some personality, that actually have some soul behind them, that aren't just me sharing some college or computer advice that an AI could spit out for you instead. So I stopped making videos. I was tired of spending hours every week on writing and filming and editing for things that I wasn't proud of and that I didn't feel was pushing me in any sort of way creatively or building my skill set in terms of what it meant to actually make things that were really good. And in taking a year off, I realized that I hadn't fallen out of love with the art of making videos. I was just making the wrong kinds of videos. So I'm going to start posting again, and I'm actually going to make the things that I want to make, which means that a lot of the people who originally watched this channel for advice on computer science and college stuff, this is going to be different than that. It's going to be more like a personal blog. The video should hopefully feel a lot more personal. I'm going to be a lot more artistically creative, and I'm just going to post whenever I feel like it and whenever I have the urge to talk about something that I think is really interesting and I want to kind of distill my thoughts into something more concrete, or I have something I've been cooking up that seems interesting that I want to make a short film out of. And that's what this channel is going to be. Also, because if this was a blog, I would probably do this. I'm going to leave links to things that I really like and that influence me in the descriptions of all the videos. There's a lot of blogs that I like to read and articles and things that are really interesting to me. And I always really like to share those things, and I've always felt like I don't have a good medium for doing that. So if you're interested in the types of things that I'm reading or that are influencing the stuff that I make, you can look down in the description, and there'll be lots of links down there to things that I really like. Okay. I have no idea when I'm going to post next. I don't have any other videos queued up, but I've just been getting this itch for a while that I need to make things again. And I figured instead of just posting it on some random burner account somewhere or just keeping it on my hard drive, I could put them here where I put all of my other stuff. So I'll see you when I see you.